Hey, Eric Sider here, and this is turn 10, and I was out of town for a couple days, so this is actually day 30. So, we'll see where we're at. So this has been sitting for 5 days instead of 2 days, so it's definitely shrunk down and probably dried out a bit, so we'll see how it's looking. So there's still some paper chunks, but mostly we're just getting to all the plastic bits, like the little junk mail, envelope windows, and the odd shredded credit card. All right, let's go ahead and check the temperature. It should be definitely below 130, but we'll see. All right, so 122, which means it's still in the hot-ish range. It has cooled down significantly, but it's also been sitting for 5 days, so we'll see when we do the turn, and then in 2 days come back and see where the temperature's at by then. It's starting to smell really good, so we're definitely nowhere on the way. But since we know where really it should be in the, like it's 90 degrees right now, so if this was finished, it would be, like maybe in the low 100 degrees or something like that. But the fact that it's still 120 means it's still cooking. So it's still got some nitrogen process. But again, it's plenty processed if you wanted to use it on the garden or around your fruit trees. Just might be a little too hot for young seedlings. All right, so that's turn 10. We'll see how the temperature is on turn 11 in 2 days' time. See if we're still in the hot range or if we're coming down. And I think probably just based on the temperature, 2 to 3 turns minimum, I think, before this pile's done cooking. All right, we'll be back for turn 11. And we are on to turn 11, and it is day 33 of the 18-day compost. And if you haven't been watching along, that's I've missed a few days, been out of town, so realistically, I probably should be in the mid-20s, but we're definitely went beyond the 18 days for sure. And a lot of that might have to do with the office paper, which wasn't shredded and didn't break down nearly as quickly as I thought. But anyway, we're nearly there. We're going to see what the temperature is, and let's get into it. All right, at this point, any big chunks of recognizable paper I'm just taking out. I don't anticipate they're going to be breaking down any significantly, and you really start to see the little plastic bits included in the office paper now are very noticeable. Now, like this chunk, see if it's still, yeah, I can still read this. But what I will do is add this to the next batch because it's going to be inoculated with all the good bacteria. So that'll just go in there. All right. Now, it's actually one of the cooler days. I think it's going to stay in the 80s today, which is a nice treat. I was tricked into thinking it was going to be cloudy today, but no such luck for now. Anyway, we got 85 degrees in the shade. So let's see what our pile is. Yep, still reading 120, which the last turn it was 122, so we've still got a little bit of cooking to do. All right, so at this point, I don't really expect it to break down much more. You can definitely see we've lost a significant amount of height, which indicates the nitrogen was probably on the high side. Also, the shredded paper not fully integrating into the process probably contributed to that. Basically what I'm going to do is just going to keep turning it till the temperature comes down into, below 110. And then it'll be good to use. Yeah, and then I'll probably use some of it to top dress around the plants that are growing, but mostly I'm going to be using this around some of the fruit trees. And I still got 2 cubic yards of compost when I install the garden. That's just chock full of mycelium. So I think what I'm going to do is on one of the last turns, I'm going to incorporate some of that into this, and then hopefully it'll go fungal dominant. All right, we'll be back for turn 12 and maybe 13. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.